stop your hiccups in 5 seconds. Hello, this is Dr. Akiko Matsumoto. Hiccups are called clumps of the diaphragm. In general, there are ways to stop it, like drinking water quickly, get surprised, stop breathing, and so on. But sometimes it doesn't stop so quickly. Today, I will introduce some ways to try before you try the other ways. While thinking that hiccups will stop, sip up from the pubic bone to the lower lip several times. It is very easy. This flushing is to the central meridian. It's rare, but hiccups occur because of serious illness. If it continues too long, please consult with a medical doctor. Thank you for your listening. See you soon.